Hey guys, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. I don't do a lot of gun reviews, but if you've watched any one of my videos, you know that I'm into firearms. If you follow me on my Instagram page, you know that I'm into firearms. Try to shoot quite often. We do have a range here on the property. So in this video, I want to take a look at my new rifle I just picked up. So this is the LWRC M6IC direct impingement AR15. Man, that's a mouthful. The Skinny Medic channel is primarily about medical, but I do gear reviews, firearms reviews to help bring in guys into this environment to say, hey, if you're shooting, you're at the range, you need to carry a tourniquet. You need to carry stuff to stop major bleeding and carry some medical supplies. So my LWRC here is chambered in 223 and 5.56, unloaded, no optic, no suppressor, is 6.5 pounds. Barrel length is 16.1 inches. Overall length with the birdcage is 32 inches. So let's take a little bit closer look at the rifle here. It does come with their buttstock, which is a 6-position adjustable stock here. Also has the QD mount, which I really like for a sling. I just haven't ordered one yet. I've got to order one coming up soon. One of the cool features about this rifle is it's completely ambidextrous. Your safety is ambidextrous. Your mag release, both sides, and your bolt release is also both sides. And also has the ambidextrous charging handle, which is a nice feature as well. The grip here is a mixture of polymer and rubber. It's got good texture. I like the way it feels. To me, the trigger is honestly nothing special here on the LWRC. I've shot better triggers. It's not a bad trigger. It's just not super great. So I chose the Vortex optic here. This is their 3x9 crossfire, and I'm running a Leopold mount. So the handguard is free-floating and has 10 torque screws holding in place. Makes it fairly easy to swap in and out handguards. The hand stop does come with it, and it is a pretty good natural position there, so I like it as well. You've got a Picatinny rail on top. Does come with a Picatinny rail on top to mount your accessories, flashlight, stuff like that. It does have a fluted barrel. It is a twist there. I think it looks pretty cool. When I picked it up, it had the standard birdcage, which is what it is, but I switched it out. I'm running a Mega 300 can here, and this is a direct impingement AR15, and with suppressor, it's run just fine. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.